Hey everybody, it's Mr. Vance here. Today I wanted to make a video on how to draw expressions. Expressions are the faces that you make to convey emotions. So if you make a smile, then you're trying to convey that you're happy. Or if you have a frown and you have tears, then you are sad. So the book uh, just goes over a bunch of examples to try to get you familiar with the different expressions. And I'm going to take the next few minutes to draw out a few of those. I want you to practice at home drawing a bunch of these faces. So, the first expression that the book goes over is angry. The book says that the brows are slanted downwards, that it has small pupils, and there's veins pulsing in the forehead. They even add fangs sometimes to try to convey some extra emotion. So I'm going to practice drawing a couple of these right now. And I'm just following the steps from the video where I showed you how to make eyes. The V shape, the pupil, the two curved. So here's the slanted brows, and then this mouth. The book says it looks like a piece of pizza, these kind of faces, and then some fangs. I'm going to draw this again until I feel like I'm okay with it. So the next expression is annoyed, and I wrote that from what I read from the book. It said small pupils, the eyes are almost closed. There's a slight slant to the brows and the frown, or it has a frown or an upside down letter U. So I'm gonna draw some small pupils. Eyes almost closed. Small slant. Tiny little triangle nose. Little upside down letter U. The evil face. I I didn't write anything down for this one, but it just real quick. It just looks like these two eyes are slanted. So I'm just gonna sketch this real quick for a little while because I want you to see that it's just a bunch of practice. I normally don't draw these. these slants. That's what makes it look evil. A couple lines under the eyes make them look stressed. This triangle nose, real simple. And a flat smile with that curved shape at the bottom. Move on to friendly. It says the eyebrows are up, is a thin line above the eyes, and the mouth is a sideways letter D. Sorry, I'm just drawing. It takes a long time, so I want you to go ahead and try to do this at home. Notice that I just get into the zone and I'm just working. I'm not going to be too worried about how this looks because I'm just practicing. And it said to draw the letter D. The book also says there's some lines above that follow. And that the eyebrows are up. And we'll draw the faces later. I'm just going to sketch in what a face. So I'm going to draw happy. And the letter D. Show you that again. The eyelashes, because the eyes are closed. The little nose, and the letter D. And for sad, so for sad it says the eyebrows are up and the mouth is frown. And that the eyes have sparkles in them to look like tears. And then the frown. So the nose is just an arrow looking shape, a long line, and a smaller little line. And you can draw tears, or you can draw the little cloudy shapes. You could always spend a lot more time on the eyes. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Um, I want you to just practice this a few times. Notice how many faces I made. It's the best part about making expressions is you can just make a bunch of faces and not have to worry about what they look like. You can go ahead and draw a bunch on the same page to get a lot of practice. Yeah, so do that, and yeah, have a good day.